In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar link or button to your email campaign. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to let your subscribers add an event to their calendar or book time with you directly from your email. This is perfect for webinars, consultations, or any time-bound announcement. Start by heading to the Campaigns area from the left sidebar. This is where all your email projects live. You can create a new email if you're starting fresh, or open an existing campaign if you're updating one you've already set up. Either way works. Next, click Design Email to open the email builder. You'll see your layout and content blocks. Choose the spot where it makes the most sense for your call to action, near the event details or right after your pitch, so it's easy to find. Now drag a paragraph block or a button block into that section. A paragraph block is great for inline text links that blend with your copy. A button block stands out more and can improve clicks if you want a clear, bold action. Add your call to action text or button label. Short and clear works best. Things like add to calendar, save the date, or book a meeting. Make sure it matches the intent. Use calendar language for a set event and booking language for scheduling a time. If you used a paragraph block, highlight the exact words you want to link. If you used a button block, just click the button to select it. You'll see formatting options appear. Click the link icon to attach your URL. Paste your calendar link. For a scheduled event, you might use a Google Calendar event link, so subscribers can add the event to their calendar with the time and details you've prepared. For appointments, a Calendly booking link makes it easy for them to choose a time that works. Double-check that the link goes to the right event or booking page, and that the time zone and details are correct. Click Save to apply the link. This locks in your changes. Then click Preview to test the link in the email. Make sure it opens correctly and behaves the way you expect, and confirm the text or button looks clean and clickable. When everything looks good, click Save and Exit. From there, you're ready to send your email to your audience with a functional, easy-to-use calendar or booking link. That's it. Simple, effective, and incredibly useful for driving attendance and bookings right from your inbox.